Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get your first email list sign up in the simplest way possible. All right, guys, so let's get right into it. Here is just some proof so you can see this method actually works. But here's my Gumroad account over the past 3 weeks, I think. So nothing crazy, but I just tested a simple method. And as you can see, we got 9 sales, which don't actually produce any revenue, but these provide, email addresses for your email list, which you can then nurture. So here's the proof. And let's just get into the very simple concept of how I've been able to do this. There's so much information out there, but just finding a simple method that actually works and is proven is very valuable. So let's just get into this right here. So how to get your first email list sign up. So 2 methods I've used are LinkedIn and YouTube. The best one has been YouTube. I think I've gotten 90% of the signups and downloads from YouTube, but I'm going to show you how I do it in both ways. So first we'll go over to LinkedIn. So here's my account right here. And what I do to get people to download my product is I will give them some sort of free N8N automation. So I work with AI, and in this video, I create a template and then I upload it to Gumroad for somebody to download. But on my LinkedIn, I just give them a quick preview of what it is, and then I eventually get them to comment down below. Nobody commented on this one, sad. But I have a few others that they would just comment down below, and then once they do that, then I can actually go ahead and send them the product, and I will send them a YouTube guide along with that. So that has been one method. Let me see if I can find an actual, okay, this one here. Let's find an actual example that works. So here you go, free AI automation giveaway. Must be connected. You can put whatever you want here, but essentially I post a snippet of my YouTube video here, and then 441 impressions, 8 likes, 5 comments. As you can see, people are commenting, auto blog. And then I go ahead and I send them a message with a link to my YouTube channel and as well as the Gumroad. Now, another way that I do it, which is pretty much the exact same thing as on LinkedIn, is in my YouTube videos. I will link a free template in one of my YouTube videos. So here was one I did. It was how to automate your WordPress blog with N8N. And yeah, linked my free template, which they come over here, and that's how I got these downloads. So super simple method. You don't need a crazy amount of subscribers. I literally only have 60 subscribers. But when you provide free value, people want it and people download it and they appreciate it. And that's how you build your email list. So just going back to this right here, very simple. So the main one I've had is YouTube. So I post a video and then people follow through to Gumroad, and same thing with LinkedIn. I post a snippet or a video which has some sort of free value, which was the free automation. Now this could be something different for your industry, but with mine, it was a free automation with N8N. And so that eventually goes to Gumroad, and you can build your email list from there. Wow, I hate drawing with the mouse. So once you're there, you can nurture your newsletter. So there's a famous book from Gary Vee, Jab, 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 Right Hook, I think that's what it is. But essentially, it just goes over when you're trying to nurture somebody on your email list or something similar to that. What you want to do is you want to provide, like 90% value. So when I have somebody sign up to my email list, I'll send them, maybe a welcome email, and then the second and third will be, more value, maybe like a free product that they can download. And then the right hook would be like maybe a soft sell. But if you're always selling, people aren't going to want to, subscribe to your content. So they're probably going to get rid of you and unsubscribe, which is not what you want. So provide value all the way through, and then maybe 10, 20%, probably even 10%, I would say sell. So there's an example right here, welcome email, value, then a soft sell. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Very simple. So just post on LinkedIn, post on YouTube. Like I think I posted 5 videos and got some traction. So, I mean, really anybody could do it. It's not that difficult. You don't need 5,000 subscribers to do it. Just a quick recap. Yep, there you go. I literally wrote it down. You don't need 5K to get traction. And then the method right here, post content, free value, then they sign up, and then you convert eventually, but at least you're converting with an provided email to your email list that actually shows that it's working, and once you build up, 100, 250, 500 different email addresses, then you can start maybe throwing in a soft sell here and there. But very simple method. I found to be very useful. And if you follow this and provide free value and content, I think it'll work for you also. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.